In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Bolt.new website to Netlify. By the end of this walkthrough, your Bolt.new project will be linked to Netlify so you can manage hosting and deploy with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you have a Bolt.new project ready and access to a Netlify account. If your organization uses team permissions, ensure you have the rights to authorize integrations. Start by opening your Bolt.new project from the dashboard. Select the specific project you want to connect. Once you're inside the project, look toward the top right for the More Options menu, often shown as 3 dots or a similar icon. Open that menu to reveal the project controls that aren't visible on the main canvas. From that menu, choose All Project Settings. This takes you to the central place where global configuration lives, including integrations and connections. Settings pages can have a lot of sections, so take a moment to let it load fully. Within the settings, navigate to Applications. This is the area dedicated to third-party services. Applications is where Bolt.new lists available integrations, including Netlify, and it's designed to make the connection process straightforward. Find the Netlify option and click Connect. When you do, Bolt.new will prepare a secure link and redirect you to Netlify to request permission. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow this one so the authorization screen opens correctly. You should see a clear description of what Bolt.new is asking for and how it will interact with your Netlify account. On the Netlify screen, click Authorize to approve the connection. If you aren't already signed into Netlify, you may be asked to log in first. Review the permissions so you understand what's being granted, then confirm. This step establishes the trust between the two platforms, so Bolt.new can communicate with Netlify for deployments. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Bolt.new. Give the page a moment to update, then look for a confirmation message or a connected status near the Netlify integration. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the applications page to verify the connection. If you run into an error, double-check that you use the correct Netlify account, that you have permission to authorize apps, and that your browser isn't blocking the redirect. Trying a different browser or an incognito window can also help resolve caching hiccups. That's it. You opened your Bolt.new project, went into More Options and All Project Settings, selected Applications, clicked Connect, and authorized the integration on Netlify. Your site is now connected and ready for streamlined deployment.